In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to change TradingView password. So this is super easy. Now all you need to do is simply from your TradingView dashboard, you can see you simply need to head over to your account on top left side of your screen, and from there you can see we have our account. Head over to settings and billing, and over here you can see we have this account setting option. So if you do not have a password set onto your account already, you have this option to add a password, and then it is going to be sending an email to your account, and from there you can set your password. Similarly, once you have your password set up, it is going to be having an option here to change it. So this is how it works. By the way, you can get $15 startup bonus once you simply sign in using the link in the description below. So make sure to do check that out, and it will be giving you a lot of value. So I hope this helps. Thank you so much for watching, and see you guys in the next video.